When I first found Anuttara, I really didn't have goals of teaching. I really just wanted to dive deeper into everything surrounding yoga, to include philosophy.
When I signed up for it, I didn't know what to expect. I was pleasantly surprised and so thrilled that it was very personal. Even watching the videos that, even though they were pre-recorded, it's like, I think they're talking to me,
I was a little skeptical when I started because it was online and I didn't know how engaged I would be. Once I started, I found it to be such a beautiful experience. It's so simple yet profound.
I never feel alone, and I never feel like I'm taking this expansive course, this expansive training by myself.
The teachers are very involved. With it being online, I thought it was going to be very one way, like I was just going to listen, or I was doing all the receiving. But I really didn't think I was going to have this relationship with them.
I felt that it was so authentic. I felt that if I needed to talk to anybody, that I could.
Well, I think my favorite part was the Zoom meetings, like being able to connect with other people, like seeing all of these like faces that just want the same thing as me.
And I love how you guys explain deeply each and every pose and each and every process, because it gives me clarity on what I'm doing.
My whole life, since I started doing yoga, was only the physical part. Like, okay, I went for a run, I'm going to do yoga to stretch. I went for a hike, I'm going to go do some yoga to loosen up it was never about the emotional part and the mental health part and how much benefit that it can give your mind, your body, and your soul. It's not just the physical part.
So this training has really transformed my core, kriyas and mantras and philosophy, and of course the actual asanas, how to teach, and in a trauma sensitive manner.
You could clearly see a difference in the way I practice and also the way I basically feel throughout my day.
Well, I would just describe it as not cookie cutter. The facilitators are incredible and they practice what they preach.
I am learning from them every single day. I encourage anyone who has been thinking about joining, I invite you to take that step.
Don't go in with any outside judgments of how it might be. I did that a little bit, and then once I realized that it's just take that all away and just like experience it for what it is, and you'll do great.
I love that I'm excited to see what else I'm going to do there.